Hi, and thanks for stopping by. My name's Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com. And today I wanted to address the question, what if I do not qualify for an installment agreement? If for some reason you don't qualify for an installment agreement, there are other options available to you. What are some of the reasons that you wouldn't qualify for an installment agreement? One of the reasons would be that your monthly income is exactly the same as your monthly expenses, or actually your monthly income is less than your monthly expenses. In that case, you really have no ability to pay, and the IRS won't give you an installment agreement. Another reason that you might not qualify for an installment agreement is you have significant equity in assets, and the IRS is going to ask you to either cash in some of those assets or to borrow against those assets. Those would be two things that come to mind immediately as to why you would not receive an installment agreement. But if you don't receive an installment agreement, other options are available. All is not lost. One of the things that you can qualify for is what's called as currently not collectible. What that status does is it looks at your ability to pay. It determines you have no ability to pay, so it flags your account as what's known as Code 53 or currently not collectible. There's some equity here with the IRS. If you have no ability to pay as demonstrated to the IRS, if your income is the same as your allowable expenses or it's even a little less, you have no ability to pay, the IRS will cease enforced collection activity on you, which is pretty fair. If you don't have the ability to pay, what good is it going to do them? How fair is it for them to garnish a paycheck or seize your bank accounts? Another option available to you if you don't qualify for an installment agreement is an offer in compromise. An offer in compromise is a situation where the IRS will settle your debt for something less than you owe. That's called compromising the debt. That might be a few $100 to a few $1,000, and it really just depends upon your ability to pay from your current income, also equity and assets. Another option available to you if you don't qualify for an installment agreement is filing for bankruptcy. That's it for today, where I discussed what if I don't qualify for an installment agreement. Appreciate you stopping by, and I look forward to speaking again with you real soon.